I'm going to take the CET of this chapter. Good morning once again.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
And
morning.
we have to take off math notebook or
Te-
revision.
Maths notebook and textbook.
Hello, ma'am. Why last class?
This chapter.
Uh,
Monday you don't have class,
okay,
and
ma'am.
on Tuesday I'm going to take the CET of this chapter.
Ma'am, why Monday is no class?
Suppose you don't have a class on Monday, no? Other you have other classes, but no maths class.
Yeah. We have only my next class as Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Friday and
Okay,
Saturday.
take out page number 94, everyone. So we will discuss all the topics which we have covered till now related with the textbooks now. Okay. So sit with your textbooks. Open your textbooks, page number 94, everyone. I'm going to present my screen and show you the pages and we'll discuss with you all. Sorry. Let me take the attendance for a minute and then I will continue. Children, now you all
Ma'am,
know
which
that
page
today
number?
94. Now, children, all you know that today is the PTM for the next slot. Please be on time in the PTM. Check your
Okay.
classroom that where you have to attend the PTM, whether in the classroom or in the activity room. Please check properly and attend the PTM accordingly. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Be on
Yes, ma'am.
time.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to
Yes,
start.
ma'am.
This was about the Mintu cat and the Motu cat were friends. Once they stole a chapati from Malini's kitchen. This we have already discussed. What we have discussed in this, what they have did at the last.
Ma'am,
For the
ma'am,
One child.
for
Wait,
all the
my dear
chapati.
Shruti.
Then 1/4.
Sorry to say, I was really, yeah, I openly asked the question. No, we have a class rule. You tell your name, I will give you a chance to speak. Yes, Tej Kumar. What they have done in this?
ma'am, they in less than 1/4.
Means they have divided the chapati. Yes, Manya, speak.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first they divided. They said that this chapati will be mine. The other one said this will be mine. So there came a
Why they said? What is the reason why they were saying this will be mine and this will be mine? आप कब बोलते हो कि नहीं ये वाला चॉकलेट मेरा है?
ma'am because they don't know how to share it. Means into halves.
Hmm.
Have to have it. So there came a monkey
Hmm.
and then he said that let me give me the chapati. I will give it into equal parts. Then
Hmm.
uh, he tear the chapati into two parts, but one part was bigger and one part was smaller. So he
Yes.
ate one part from the bigger one and then he said that this is the equal part. But the first part he ate that was very small and the big part which he did eat that became small and which he didn't eat that became bigger.
Okay. Again there was a problem.
Yes, ma'am. Then
Hmm.
after that from the big part he ate some part so it became more smaller and
Hmm.
from the other part again he ate it. So
So
whole
this was the
chapati
problem. Yeah, whole
he ate.
chapati. Yeah. So what we say in the in Hindi or the in English we call quarreling or they were fighting. दो बिल्लियों के बीच में कौन फायदा ले गया यहाँ पे? Monkey.
Monkey.
Yes.
Monkey eat the
So
half.
One leg
now,
was black
so
and
you know why the monkey has taken the benefit of this, the advantage of this. You know why? Because he
because he
just
was
doesn't know how to do it into the half. If Now you have learned how to divide the thing into the half. You can easily do the half, no? Can anyone cheat you two children? कोई अब आप how you will divide Vishrut? If I give you a chapati and I tell you to divide it into the two equal halves, how you will divide?
Number 14.
Hmm.
Ma'am, first I will take the chapati and tear it, so there will be some half. So
If you tear, if you not suppose this is the chapati you got, and if you are tearing or cutting it, suppose आपने यहाँ से काट दिया,
yes,
so is this the equal?
no ma'am.
No. So now you know that from the center, if you cut it into that, and you have learned how to at least divide the circular things into the halves, you know, divide it from the diameter.
Yes.
Right? We have done the experiment also. I told you to bring the Mary biscuit and divide it into the two equal halves.
It is ma'am, we have done that.
You all have done that, right? So you all know how to divide the things into the halves. Suppose this is the object which you divided, and if I tell you there are 24 chocolates equally divided into the two person, each person will get how many chocolates?
12.
12.
So you know half means what?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Divide that with the two.
Divide with the 2.
2. Yes. So this way you have learned how to divide it into the halves. This way you have learned how to divide it into the. I have told you what is the 1/3 of 24. So, like for example, you have 24 chocolates. Mama told you give 1/3 to your sister. So how you will say, Mama, iska 1/3 kaise karu? So how many chocolates will come in the 1/3 students?
Ma'am, 3.
No.
Ma'am,
We
one
have
and
learned
three
yesterday
piece.
only.
Ma'am, 1 and 3 piece. 1 and
No, no. 1 and 3 piece will be the 1/3. 24 chocolates है बच्चा. 24 chocolates का 1/3 कितने होते हैं? How many chocolates will be the 1/3?
Ma'am, 8.
Yes, 8. You know how 8? Nothing is here in the denominator. Put 1. In place of off sign, put multiplication. Multiply the numerator with the numerator, which is 24. Divide with the denominator. 3 ones are 3. You are going to divide it with the denominator 3. So in table of 3, 24 comes 8 times. So 8 chocolates is the 1/3 of 24. Got it, everyone? Same way, 2/5. Any fraction they can give you. So you need to find it with the same method. I'll give you more sums after the explanation or for the practice. So now we go next, half of half. Half of half is what? Aniva, what is half of half?
quarter.
Quarter. And what is the other name of quarter in the fraction?
1/4.
1/4.
1/4.
Yes. Half of many pieces. Rani got a chocolate. She divided equally and gave half to her friends. And Rani now you can see is having the chocolates, which is having how many parts?
6 parts.
6 parts are there. Out of 6 parts is half she will give. So how many parts she will give?
3.
3
parts.
Okay.
3.
Go to the next page. How many pieces of chocolates are there? Right there in the blank. Right, 6. How many pieces were left with Rani?
3.
3. Right, 3.
3.
The girl is saying, half a chocolate is as tasty as the whole chocolate. Then go to many shapes. This you have to take a piece of paper, cut it into the sheet into 2 equal triangles so that each triangle is equal to half of the sheet. Shade the 2 triangles with different colors. Draw the different shape with using the triangles. One is done for you. This you can do and make the different shape. This is your task activity which I have given in the beginning also. But maybe some of you have done or not done. Complete it. Go to the page number 97.
What we have to do in this?
This you have to make 2 triangles. Take one paper. Take one rectangular paper. No, paper is in the rectangular shape. Cut, yeah, cut it into 2 parts so you will get the 2 triangles. अब in true triangles को you can assemble in any way. Draw different shape using this triangle. One such shape is given to you.
Ma'am, we have to do it in textbook. No?
Yeah, take or textbook or in the notebook. Textbook there is no space, or if you stick, the textbook will become untidy. Better stick in the notebook. Okay, now go to the page number 97. In how many different ways you can cut a rectangle? This you children have done in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
already discussed now to draw.
Ma'am, 4 parts. Vishru.
Yeah, to half. In how many different ways you can cut a rectangle into half? Can anyone show me?
Ma'am, 2.
Oh, this was something is visible on my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
I was talking about this activity. Cut two triangle and assemble them in any way you can get the different shapes. So here, if first one was given to you, second is also given to you, the example. Third is also given, you can assemble in this way, and this way also you can assemble. Clear?
Hello, ma'am. We have to circle that chocolate one.
Circle the chocolate. This also we have done. If you have not done, please do this. One is this way to divide it into the equal halves. One is this way. One is this way, and another one is this way. You can please do it if you have not done. And how we can check? Suppose if you cut it from the center the line which you have made, and if you put it on the each other, you will exactly get, yes, these are the exact pictures. Go to the next. Am I audible to you all?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
please ask.
Ma'am.
Rehan Dobaria. I will listen one time only, ma'am. Now speak.
At the upper one, I have to do 5 parts of it. I have done it, but I cannot figure out one part of it.
You can may repeat it also.
But I cannot figure out.
See, I have given here. I have
I have done
repeated.
all of the, but where is the red one? Now I have not done that because you said we have to do all with scales.
Yes, scale se to kar raha hai.
What?
Yes, you have to do divided with the scale.
So how I can do that one?
Anyway, bacha. But it should be exactly the half.
Exactly.
You think and do. This is the next question. This is visible to you all students.
Yes.
In how many different ways you can cut? These are the 5 different ways given to you. If not done, please complete it. I'm going to the next now. You can complete this by the time. Cutting the cake. Page number 98. Cutting the cake. Children, you also cut the cake?
Yes, ma'am.
You also do it into the pieces?
Yes, ma'am.
Then only it is possible to cut it. Suppose there is a whole one cake and there are 6 persons to eat. Each person will get how much part in the fraction?
Ma'am, 1.
1 part. And if you write 1 part in the fraction?
Ma'am, 1/6.
1/6. Correct. So now Rajani father bought a cake. She divided the cake into 4 equal parts for herself, her brother Raju, her father, and her mother. So each will get how much part if she has divided into the 4 parts?
1.
Ma'am, 1/4.
1/4.
1/4.
1/4.
1/4. It is 1/4. Color each share with different colors. अब 4 parts है. एक को blue, एक को red, एक को green, एक को any color you can color it this way. And you can give any color to the any person because they are not saying yellow for mother and blue for Rajni, and you can color any colors and mark it that this is for whom. Okay, if you don't have colors right now, color it after the class. First understand it. If you are clear with that, you can do after the class also. Now next is how much does she each eat? Each will eat of the cake. We have said that how much they are eating? 1/4. Yes or no?
So, ma'am, we will write 1/4. No?
Yeah, you will write 1/4. Go to the next. Mother gave her share of cake to Rajni. Now color the total part that Rajni will get. चलो रजनी के पास ऑलरेडी 1/4 था, मदर ने भी उसको 1/4 दे दिया. So how much part the Rajni is having now?
Ma'am, 2 parts.
2/4. In the fraction I am asking 2/4.
Ma'am, 1/2.
2/4 is also equal to which, equivalent to which fraction? 1/2.
Ma'am,
Manya, clear?
saying.
2/4
Yes,
is how? 2/4 is 1/2.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? If you practically see that there were total 4 parts, he got the 2 parts, and 2 parts is exactly the half of the complete.
Hello, ma'am. We
1/2 and 2/4 are both equivalent fractions,
hello,
which
ma'am.
we have already learned. My dear, let me explain, then I will answer you. Yes, so we have learned already the equivalent fractions, right? So 1/2 is also equivalent to 2/4. Yes, now ask Moksh.
Ma'am, we can also check it like we will multiply the numerator with the denominator and the denominator of this one to the numerator. So the answer is 4 only. So it is
Yes. And I have told you, if you want to multiply the numerator and the denominator, multiply with the same number. Then also you will get the equivalent fractions. Go to the next now. Out of 4 parts, Rajni will get dash parts, which is equal to half of the cake. So we can say 2/4. Please, nothing is written there above the yellow box. So please write 2. 2/4. Here, I'm talking about this yellow box, yellow shaded area. Please write the 2 here.
Hello, ma'am. We can shade it with the pencil.
If you shade with the pencil is having all the colors same, then you will not able to differentiate.
Ma'am means Rajni's color with only pencil.
Now go to the next. Before Rajni mother gave her share to Rajni, she had only half of the cake, which has 1/4 of the total cake. Color the share Raju got. Is this clear? Before Rajni mother gave her share to Rajni, she had only half of the cake, right? Which was 1/4 of the total cake. So before she was having only the 1/4. Now how much of the cake do Rajni and Raju together get now?
3/4.
3/4.
Together कितना हो गया? दोनों का मिलाएंगे तो, because we have learned addition also. एक के पास था 2/4, दूसरे के पास है 1/4. दोनों का मिला के कितना हो गया? 3/4. So addition also we have clear. Yes. Now go to the next page. Page number 99. Greedy Kundu. Now listen here about the story of a greedy Kundu. Suppose if I tell you what is the fraction of the shaded part, there are 4 shaded parts. Total are 8, so fraction will be 4/8. Now tell me the fraction of the shaded part of the next picture.
Ma'am,
1/3.
1/3. What is the fraction for the unshaded one?
What, ma'am?
What is the fraction for unshaded part?
Ma'am, it will be
2/3. Then it is right. Go to the next greedy one. This is for the practice. Greedy Kundu is a greedy man. Whenever he goes to the market, he wants to get more and more, but does not want to spend much money. उसको बहुत सारी चीजें चाहिए पर पैसे नहीं देने उसको. One day he wants to eat pumpkin halwa, sweet dish. He tries to buy a big pumpkin with only rupees 10. He asks the first pumpkin seller the price of a big pumpkin to buy a pumpkin with only rupees 10. He asks the first pumpkin seller the price of the big pumpkin. First pumpkin seller, 1/4 of his pumpkin is rupees 10. एक first जो सेलर था उसने बोला 1/4 पार्ट में दूंगा, उसका 10 रुपीज है. दिस फुल पंपकिन कितने का होगा?
40.
40. Yes. If 1/4 is 10, then the full cost will be 40. So write in the blank 40. Kundu, for rupees 10, you should give me half of this pumpkin. बोलता 1/4 नहीं चाहिए, rupees 10 में मुझे तो half दो, 1/4 नहीं, because he was greedy. So what happened is, first pumpkin seller, then you go to next, then he went to the next pumpkin seller. He can give you half of such a big pumpkin for rupees 10. The first pumpkin seller is telling him that you go to the second seller. Wait, let me show you the picture. First pumpkin seller is, am I audible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The
Yes,
first
ma'am.
pumpkin seller is telling him that go, I am not giving, I will give 1/4 only. You better go to the next one. दूसरा वाला आपको दे देगा. He can give half such a big pumpkin, rupees 10. I keep only good quality pumpkins. Then he's saying, I keep only, the first seller is saying, I keep good quality pumpkins. That's why my cost is higher. So you better go to the other person. Maybe he will give you at the low cost. Kundu walks to the next seller and looks for a pumpkin of the same size. Kundu, how much of this pumpkin will I get? Rupees 10. Second pumpkin seller, half. He said half. मैं दे दूंगा. Now again, he is little greedy. Let's see. This full pumpkin will be cost. If the half is 10, what will be the cost of full pumpkin?
20.
20. So according to the second seller, the cost is rupees 20. Please write in the blank rupees 20. Go to the next picture. Kundu, now again he is greedy. He is saying no. मुझे half नहीं चाहिए 10 rupees में, मुझे 3/4 pumpkin दो. Please mute yourself. Someone mic is on. Second pumpkin seller run away. वो भोगता है यहाँ से भाग जाओ. Go get your pumpkin from that man. दूसरे किसी से जाके लो. He sells such bad vegetables that he will even give you a full pumpkin. वो जो दूसरा है ना, the third person is selling at very low cost, वो तुम्हें दे देगा, क्योंकि मैं तो अच्छा वाला भेजता हूँ और वो तुम्हें फुल pumpkin भी 10 rupees में दे देगा. जाओ दूसरे के पास जाओ. Then greedy Kundu walks to the next pumpkin. Now he is going to the third pumpkin seller. He looks at the pumpkin of the same side and asks him, will you give me this big one pumpkin at rupees 10? Third pumpkin seller, why? Don't you climb? Now see what the third pumpkin seller is saying. तुम ये 10 rupees भी क्यों देते हो मुझे? एक काम करो ना, तुम पेड़ पे चढ़ जाओ वहां से, तो तुम्हें फ्री में मिल जाएगा. The third pumpkin seller, why don't you climb the roof of that house? You can get the pumpkins free from the plant itself. Kundu is very happy. He climbs the roof of that house, and then आप सोच सकते हो क्या हुआ होगा? Complete the story.
It fell.
गिर गया.
Then it fell.
What does the story mean? What is the moral of the story?
Don't be so
Don't
much.
be so much greedy man like
Yes.
greedy Kundu.
Like greedy Kundu. Okay, now go to the next, using a price list. Now here the price list is given that per kg tomato is of 8 rupees, potato is of 12 rupees, onion is of 10 rupees, carrot is of 16 rupees, and pumpkin is of 4 rupees per kg. How much does half a kg of tomato cost? If you remember, I have yesterday taught you, if you want to write in your notebooks, write them in your notebooks. Students, better open your notebooks now. This price list questions, we will solve it in the notebook so you can better understand. Yesterday, if you have remember, we have learned 1/3 of 1/4 of a given number. So now we are going to solve it. The A question of the page number. Don't write the questions in the notebook. Write only the answer. Page number 100. A. They are saying half of tomato. What is the cost of? Cost of half kg tomatoes.
Ma'am, rupees
So
4.
half kg tomatoes, multiplication sign, full kg tomatoes are 8. So half kg will be, you put the 1 here down, 1 into 8 is 8, 2 into 1 is 2. And when you divide 8 by 2, the answer is rupees 4. Write it in your notebooks. This way, second, solve the second also. Which costs more, half kg of onions and 1/4 kg of carrots? So you should first know what is the half kg of onion cost. Do it fast, my dear students.
5. Onion 5.
Ma'am, can you means do some side?
Yeah. Note down. Then I'm giving you the B sum here.
And the potato 6.
Half kg of onion. Half of onion. And onion per kg is 10. Solve this and find. And 1/4 of carrot. 1/4 of carrot. And the carrot is 16. So, Aradhya, someone mic is on. Vihan, mute your mic, please. Aradhya, give me what is the half of 10?
Half of 10 is 5.
Yeah, so the 5 is rupees is the cost of onion because they want the half kg cost. So half kg cost is rupees 5. Rupees 5 is the onion cost. And 1/4 of the 16. 1/4 of 16. Find the 1/4. Kavian, can you find the 1/4 of 16?
6060 or 1660.
1616. Because the per kg 16 is the cost of carrot. Yes, you give me Vihan over here.
8.
No. 1/4 of 16. Who will give me? Raise your hand. Vishrut. You will do in the full way method also.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Niva.
Ma'am, 4.
Yes, rupees 4 is the 1/4 of 16. When you are finding the 1/4 of any number, divide the number by the 4. When you are finding the half, divide by 2. And I have told you the big method also, divide it, do it in that way if you don't have the direct method. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, divide the numerator by the denominator. So now the C question is, first B. Which cost is more? The cost of onion is more or the cost of carrot is more?
Cost of onion is
Cost of onion is more because the half kg onion is of rupees 5 and the 1/4 is rupees 4. So the cost of onion is more. Come to the question number C. What is the price of 3/4 of potatoes? 1 kg potatoes is 12 rupees. What is the cost of 3/4 potatoes? 3/4 kg potatoes. Tell me. C. 3/4 of potatoes each cost is rupees 12. So 3/4 of 12 क्या होगा? Remove the off, put the multiplication sign. Do it in the full way. If you don't know direct, do it in the proper way, but give the right answer. 3/4 multiply 12 upon 1. 3 into 12. What is 3 12s are? Or 12 3s are? Who will tell me? 36.
36.
4 1s are 4. Divide it and give me the answer. Divide 36 by 4.
Ma'am, rupees 9.
Rupees 9.
Rupees 9.
Yes.
Rupees 9.
Rupees 9. So now you can find if the cost of 1 kg is given and you can find the cost of another fraction. Like 3/4 कितना होता है? Half, 1/4. Clear everyone? Go to the D question. Kirti is going for shopping. She has only rupees 20 with her. Can she buy all the things in a shopping list? Now what you have to do is you need to do the total of all the things. Find the total. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 50. सो क्या 20 रुपीज में वो सब कुछ ले लेगी?
No, ma'am.
नो. मेक टू क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम द प्राइस लिस्ट. दो क्वेश्चन आप अपने खुद के भी बनाओ इसमें से. कैन एनीवन गिव मी एनी आइडिया हाउ कैन वी मेक द क्वेश्चन?
Ma'am, may I?
यस विहान.
Where if we do how many which is more had one fourth of tomatoes or half of
Yes, you can make in this way
onion.
also, or you can make what is the cost of half of pumpkin. Half kg pumpkin का cost क्या होगा बच्चा? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, may I?
Pumpkin is 4 rupees per kg. What is the half kg cost?
Ma'am, two.
Yes, 2. The same way you can make the question on carrot, onion, potato and tomato. This way you can complete this. Clear?
Yeah.
Clear? Can I proceed to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion to any child till now?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Lower down your hands. Vishrut and Tej Kumar. Go to the page number 101. What part of the whole is colored? What part of the whole is colored? Write the fraction. Write the fraction of 1 upon 2. Second picture,
2/4.
2 upon 4. Are they both equivalent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Both are equivalent. Go to the question number B. Color that part of the shape which is written below. Now in the picture, the shape is already drawn for you. Total are the 4 parts, but in the fraction it is given 2 parts. How you are going to shade this picture? कैसे shade करोगे?
Hello, ma'am. In the first one, no half.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say Moksha?
Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, we will shade 2 parts.
You will shade how many parts?
2 parts. Ma'am.
Why? Only one part is given, but why you will shade 2 parts?
Ma'am, because it is given 1/2, but its meaning is half, and half of 4 is 2. So we will shade it in 2.
Yes. Means out of 2 parts you shade 1. Out of any 2 parts shade 1. Then again out of 2 parts shade 1. Right?
Ma'am, in the last question there is no means line, so I have only do myself.
हाँ.
So,
But divide it into the equal 4 parts. Unequal नहीं. This will be wrong अगर आप ऐसे divide करोगे. So you can see this is very small. So this
ma'am,
is wrong.
we have to do with scale only, na?
Yes, scale only.
then that's
Properly
one
use with
upon
the scale. Now second is 3 upon 4. What does this 3 upon 4 means? How many parts are you going to color in the second picture? Only one part is drawn.
3. Ma'am, 3.
Yes,
Three.
only one part is drawn. So you mark the other part,
We have to draw with scale some.
complete it and color the 3 parts out of the total 4 parts. Go to the next picture where already 4 parts are drawn. And it is written 3/4. So color the 3 parts. This is the third picture. Same in the hexagon. Go to the next rectangle. There are 4 parts are drawn like this. How many are you going to color?
One.
Only one. Any one. Not compulsory that you color this one only. No, you can color any one. Next, 1 upon 2. But there are many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts are there. But how many are you going to color?
3.
3, because total are 6. And you need to color the half. So 3
Ma'am,
parts you are going to color.
Ma'am, we can only draw in here 4 also.
Yes?
Means we have to draw in here and color. It is like a puzzle.
Next picture, last picture, you have to draw it. Mark the 4 equal parts and color the 3 parts. Done, everyone?
Done. Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Draw a line which divides this shape into the half. Children, you all have learned the mirror halves in the grade.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but
Mirror
we have
half means the exactly, the other part is also the exactly of the same. Then it is the mirror half. So mirror half, suppose if I say B. So where you will draw a mirror half line on the B?
ma'am,
Then
where
there
Are-
is
Is this the line correct?
no, ma'am, it
no,
is
Sleeping line. Sleeping line.
yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Clear, everyone?
Hello,
For
ma'am.
example, A. What
Ma'am,
is
standing line.
standing line? The mirror half for the A. So
Hello,
this is
ma'am.
the. Huh, Moksh, bata, I will listen you. Okay. So this is clear. The mirror halves. The other half is also the exactly same. For example, this smiley I am drawing. So smiley may where I will put from the
Standing.
standing, so that the other half should be exactly same. Now Moksha ask.
Ma'am, there are given some dark color, so we can make the line some out also, so we can
हाँ
understand.
हाँ हाँ थोड़ी सी line out में बनाना, because these picture are the dark color pictures ना. Suppose the bird is there, so bird में I think the slanting line will come this way to divide it. तो थोड़ी बाहर भी लेके जाना, so that it will be clearly visible to us. This way,
No,
please, and come.
it will be front
Coming standing line.
of the wing back.
Standing line. How standing line, बच्चा? Bird ऐसे sleeping में this way में bird है.
But I'm saying
Ma'am, I
that.
have done that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ. Vihan. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, how will we make a half line in star?
In star,
You have
you make from the
standing line. Then we just have to follow the standing line of the star.
see, these are the mirror halves I'm showing you. Star की भी होगी mate.
Then I
No, ma'am, you can see now that different color in that blue.
Yes, one dark and one that is there.
From there only, down one to up one, it will come.
I think from the here slanting.
Ma'am, it can also be from down that down point one. Down point.
Down से करेंगे तो it will not be. If you do from the this way, maybe it is exactly divisible with the half.
Ma'am, from the down.
Yes, ma'am.
And here you need to take care of the light and the dark color also.
Hello, ma'am. From down also, it is perfectly divisible.
Okay, you can show us in the next class. Okay. Do the pumpkin. Pumpkin will be divided from where in the half? I know.
Ma'am,
Kedar.
I have done C, ma'am.
Yeah, he has done the pumpkin. Where? Wait, let me pin Aradhya. Not visible properly. No, not visible. That's why I'm telling you to extend the line till up and down, so that it will be visible. थोड़ी बाहर निकाल दो. Page number 102 is done, everyone, yesterday. Page number 103, question number G. We have
Ma'am,
learned
have I
right now
seen?
the mirror halves. Please complete that question also. Complete the other. Yes, now correct. Aradhya. Complete, draw the other half of this mirror half images. Page number 104 we have completed, 105 completed, 3/4 of this. And there are different ways that 2 kg we will make with two. How many different ways? 500, 4 times 500 also make 2 kg.
Yes, ma'am. 1 kg, 2
So
times.
you can give me the different options how you can make the 2 kg.
Ma'am,
The different
250 ml, 8 times.
ml. If there are grams and kilograms, so you use the unit grams and kilograms, not milliliter and liter. Okay.
Ma'am, 4 times 500.
4 times 500 also make 2 kg. And
2
how
times
many?
1 kg.
2 times 1 kg also make 2 kg. 250 grams is also there. You can
Ma'am,
use 250
250 gram. 8 means 8 times.
8 times. Yes. So these are the different you can use. Come to the page number 106. Why is it wrong? Why these pictures are wrong? Can you explain me?
Ma'am, because some part is taken more than the other part.
Yeah, so they are not equally divided. Go to the last picture that you were not understood, no? That day there are
Yes, ma'am.
20
Now I
stars.
understood. Yesterday only.
And do the Ravi one. We will discuss in the next class. Be prepare yourself for the CET. Ravi ka jo point wala hai na, do it. It is very interesting. I will ask in the next class.
Ma'am, I have done it.
Okay, I will ask in the next class. Oh, thank you, students. Prepare yourself for the CET.
Ma'am,
Which
when
will
is
be on
CET?
Tuesday.
Ma'am, when is CET?
Coming Tuesday. Yes, I will post in the classroom. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.